this road right here is so slippy. Just watch this. Can you see it? Oh. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video, and for today's video we are doing the long-awaited POV in the Mazda Mx5. Boy, honestly, this car, I can't lie, this is the funnest car I will ever own.
Really, nigga?
Can't rear-wheel drive, 160 brake, and it's a bloody sleeper, mate. Nobody would expect a fucking 22-year-old dickhead to be driving this car. Let's give it a start. Let's actually go on a drive, baby. It's a little bit wet out, so we can do I can show you how savage this fucking car is in the wet. But yeah, I'm fucking gassed, honestly. Let's hop in. Let's hop in this bad boy. Very, very low down. Very low. But let's start this bad boy. Ready? Wasn't too loud actually. The cold starts on this though, it's pretty damn loud. And of course we got the roof release, but we will actually put that down in a second because of the audio. On the sport ones you got this button right here, you hold it for traction control off, I think, and if you hold it down it comes up with a skiddy light, and that means you can spin it if you want. Oi! Now, just before this POV actually gets started and we get into the vibes of the car, I would like to say a massive thank you to the sponsor of today's video and a huge sponsor of the channel, Car Vertical. Car Vertical is actually a used car history checker that scans through an entire car's history to give you all the information you need to know when buying used cars. Because as a lot of us know, sellers are not always truthful and tell us every piece of information we need to know. Car Vertical is super simple to use. Let's say you found a beautiful car that you want to buy. Before going ahead and buying it, you take the VIN number or registration from that car, put it through Car Vertical, and it will produce you a report. Here is actually a Ford Fiesta I was actually looking at earlier. And as we can see, it's not looking good, bruv. Straight away, we can see an amber warning light for mileage. If we actually scroll down and we actually have a look at Car Vertical's mileage graph, we can see that it dips down over 100,000 miles. Some sellers will do this illegally to sell the car for more than it's actually worth. However, we can see that this vehicle is not wanted as stolen. Car Vertical also checks a lot of different countries' databases to make sure it's not wanted as stolen either in those countries. We can see that this vehicle is not recorded as having outstanding finance, which is good. However, we can actually see that this vehicle not only has mileage tampered with, but also was damaged. If we actually scroll down past all of this different information, we can see that it was written off in 2020, and it tells us here that it's a category S. On some car reports, Car Vertical will even show you pictures of the damage collected from car auction sites and other sources like this Audi. This was destroyed. So by using Car Vertical, it gives you so much peace of mind that you are buying a car that is worth your money and there's no hidden secrets behind it. So if you guys would like peace of mind when buying used cars, click the link in the description for an automatic 10% off, or use my discount code TOS at checkout for 10% off. Anyway, let's get back to this POV. We'll put the roof down halfway through because I don't know how bad it will be with the audio, but that's how I drive this car all the fucking time. Like, there will not be a time that I'm not driving it with the roof down. Hey, mate, rain or fucking shine, I'm roofed down. Like, it's just vibes. It is actually just vibes when the roof is down. A little bit more noise out of this car and this car will be literally perfect for me. I believe it's got a cat, obviously, and then it's got a resonator halfway through. But if you take that resonator out, I think it'll be perfect. But no, just overall, it's a good little daily driver as well, you know what I mean? Like, it's not too loud in here. People say with this soft top up, it gets very loud in here. But like 50 miles per hour, even 60 miles per hour, we're fine, we're chilling, lad. This thing's so aerodynamic, the air just gets scared of it and just moves out the way. I really like it though. I really like, this is this is a really good car. And look, the downshifts are nice. Still getting used to it. give a fuck. No, a little bit. He's giving it some. Don't know if you guys can see, but he's giving it some. Right, we're gonna start off by actually showing you guys getting this car kicking out. We're gonna go to some nice private land. You have to be so quick with the wheel, don't you? But it does take a lot. This car has actually really good tyres on the back. Oh jeez, my steering wheel's locked. Really good tyres on the back. They just got changed, so they're very good. They need a lot of power to get the wheels slipping. Oh, there's a pheasant. Go on, lad. There you go. Come on. Love that. Go on. Yeah,
bye, have a great time.
You fucking show off. I can fly too. Very good brakes, 4 disc brakes. You can't even complain. They are binding. One of them is binding because it's an old car. So I don't know if that needs a whole new caliper or it needs just a new brake disc or something. But I can hear it. Don't know if you can hear it, to be fair. It pops around like 1.5k RPM. It's sick. Right, ready? Yeah, you don't even have to rev it much to like get it sounding nice. Yeah, but look how savage the car looks, right? When it's look how savage the car looks, right? Just whack it here when the roof's down. Look, so this is how to put the roof down. And then slowly let it down. I keep forgetting there's glass in there, but look how savage it looks. It looks savage. It looks like an old Jag, I think. An old Jag. The back end looks really good. That's what it looks like, you know, thing. And it's a very nice sounding car. It doesn't sound broken at all, because obviously we serviced it all. But yeah, a little bit of rust here. We're gonna have to get that sorted, and all of the seals underneath it are rusted as fuck. So that means we can't even jack the back of the car up without getting scared, which is a bit shitty. Listen how savage this car is with the roof down and everything. Ready? Roads are fun. Woo! These roads are made for the MX5. Dipping and diving. It's a bit too low because sometimes it will scrape the bottom of the car again on stock suspension. I'm just getting so much more confident with a rear wheel drive. It's not as scary as it looks. And usually, if you do, listen to that little burbles. Listen to the punch, 6k RPM screaming. I cannot believe it goes up to 6k. Savage, honestly. It's still got quite a bit of punch, I think. Not the quickest car in the world, obviously, but it's a great starter car for a wannabe drifter, because we will take this on track. I'm thinking around March time, I think, that we'll take it. Oh, that was... Missed a gear. I missed second. That would have been savage. That would have been savage if I caught second. It just wouldn't go in. I changed the gearbox oil, and sometimes when it's not, when the car isn't warmed up yet, it doesn't want to go in second. I don't know what it is, but honestly, the car handles the thrashing. It handles it. It literally loves it. It doesn't feel like it's too much for the car. I don't know how to explain that really, but and 4 disc brakes, so if you want to stop, you can. Very nice grippy roads. It looks like it's about to rain, honestly. I'll show you how quick and simple it is to put the roof up. Honestly, I would not change this for the world. This convertible has changed my life. I cannot wait for the summer. I'm that one dickhead who drives at night with the roof up. No, roof down, sorry. Let me see if I can really get myself tucked in. Oh, look at that. And obviously, after changing all the power steering fluid and everything, the car turns, the car brakes nice. If you guys didn't see that video, I changed everything on the car except for the diff oil. This is how we do the roof. I'm gonna put it up just in case it rains. Not that it bothers me, it's only a little bit of water. But yeah. But that's how easy it is. It literally takes 2 seconds. These are some nice roads for the MX-5. Listen, just listen. Actually decent brakes considering that they are broken. Drop, top and rain. This night feelings. This is a very steep hill. Oh wow, that is very steep. Listen to the car little burbling. Such a lit car, honestly. I will never look down on MX-5s. This road right here is so slippy, just watch this. Can you see it? Oh my god! Bro, I swear, people... Oh, look at that. Bro, I swear to God, right? Maybe a little bit of that is driver error, but that is just so twitchy, that road. That is why you have to be so damn careful. I'm hoping he's let someone through. There you go. Like that. Love that for me. Cheers, mate. Something we do need to do on the MX-5 ASAP is tint the back windows. again, like I said, because they're so fucking low, you get blinded in this car. The mirrors, they're just gonna have to stay, or we can kick them off. I don't mind. It is gonna be a drift car at the end of the day, but the back windows definitely need to get tinted. Okay, all right then, guys. So unfortunately, that is the end of today's video on the MX-5. Let me get out and show you guys once more. Right, so that is actually the end of today's video on the MX-5. I'm absolutely loving it. I hope you guys see how savage this car is, and obviously I can't obviously send it fully on camera. I literally can't. So that is why we're going to send it to track, just change the tires over for some really shoddy ones while we're on track, and then get this car spinning. That's what I'm here for. That's why this car is here. Get this shitty air roll off as well. Doing. But yeah, guys, unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Subscribe if you are new and you want to keep up to date with the MX-5, or don't, it's up to you. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see your faces in my next video.